Your home's doors do more than provide entry and exit. They safeguard your family, insulate your living spaces, and contribute significantly to curb appeal. In Coppell, where homeowners balance comfort, security, and style, choosing professional door replacement over a DIY approach is an investment that pays off in both immediate benefits and long-term value. Enhanced security and safety. One of the primary reasons professional door replacement matters is security. A poorly installed door can leave gaps, weak points, or faulty locks that make it easier for intruders to gain entry. Professional installers ensure the frame, hinges, and locking systems are aligned and reinforced, giving you peace of mind. In Coppell, where family-friendly neighborhoods place a high value on safety, a strong and secure door isn't just desirable, it's essential. Professional installation ensures your new door performs as intended, protecting your household from potential threats. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Texas summers bring high heat, while winters can still dip into chilly temperatures. Without a properly installed door, your home may suffer from drafts and energy loss, causing your HVAC system to work harder. Over time, this leads to higher utility bills and unnecessary wear on your heating and cooling systems. Professional door replacement eliminates these problems by ensuring a snug, weather-tight fit. Experts use the right insulation and sealing techniques, helping Coppell homeowners save money month after month while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Long-term durability and fewer repairs. Even the best quality door won't last long if it's improperly installed. DIY jobs often result in uneven frames, improper alignment, or premature wear on hinges and seals. These issues can quickly turn into costly repairs. By choosing a professional, you're investing in long-term performance. Experienced installers know how to handle different door materials, wood, steel, fiberglass, or glass inserts, and apply manufacturer-recommended techniques that extend the door's lifespan. This means fewer headaches and less money spent on repairs over the years. Improved curb appeal and home value. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice. A properly fitted, stylish new door enhances your home's curb appeal, making a strong first impression. In a competitive real estate market like Coppell, professional door replacement can even increase your home's resale value. Professionals don't just install doors, they help homeowners select styles and finishes that complement the architecture of the home. Whether you prefer a bold modern look, a classic wooden entry, or an energy-efficient design with glass panels, expert installation ensures your choice shines as a focal point. Compliance with warranty and building standards. Many manufacturers require professional installation for warranties to remain valid. Attempting a DIY replacement could void your coverage, leaving you unprotected if defects arise. Additionally, professional installers are familiar with local building codes and standards, ensuring your door replacement meets all necessary requirements. For Coppell homeowners, this means added protection for your investment and confidence that your home improvement project is both safe and compliant. Peace of mind for homeowners. Perhaps the greatest benefit of professional door replacement is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing your door was measured, installed, and sealed correctly allows you to focus on enjoying your home rather than worrying about energy loss, security flaws, or premature wear. When you hire experts, you're not just paying for the door, you're investing in skilled craftsmanship, industry knowledge, and a finished product that will serve your home well for years to come. Final thoughts. Professional door replacement isn't just about swapping out an old door for a new one. It's about enhancing your home's safety, energy efficiency, appearance, and long-term value. For Coppell homeowners, the decision to trust professionals means fewer repairs, lower bills, and greater peace of mind. When it comes to something as important as your home's doors, cutting corners with DIY simply isn't worth the risk. By choosing professional door replacement, you're making a smart investment in your home and your family's comfort and security.